Good morning, students. Now today we will start exercise 11.3. This is the first question of the exercise. Here equation of ellipse is given and we have to find the coordinates of the focus, vertices, length of major axis, minor axis, eccentricity and length of lattice rectum of the ellipse. Here the denominator of x square term is greater than the y term, denominator of y term. It means its major axis is x-axis, so we will compare it with the equation x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Now comparing it with this equation, we find that a square equal to 36, b square equal to 16, so a is equal to 6 and b equal to 4. And we can find with the help of c, that is under root a square minus b square. So we get the value of c is root 20 when that is 2 root 5. Then the focus are plus minus c0 because major axis is x-axis, so focus lies on x-axis. So the coordinates of focus is plus minus c0, that is plus minus 2 root 5 0. Vertices are plus minus a0, that is plus minus 6 0, and the length of major axis is 2a, that is 2 into 6 12. Length of minor axis is 2 into 4, that is 8. And the lattice rectum of the ellipse is 2b square upon a, that is 2 into 16 by 6, 16 by 3, and eccentricity is c by a, that is 2 root 5 divided by 6. Next question is this question: 36 x square plus 4y square equal to 144. This is not in the standard form of the ellipse, so first of all we will convert it in the standard form by dividing the whole equation by 144. So we get x square by 4 plus y square by 36 equal to 1. Now here the denominator of term containing y is greater than the other one, so its major axis is y axis. So when we compare it with the standard form x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1, we get a square is 36 and b square is 4. So a is 6 and b is 2. With the help of this, c is under root a square minus b square, that is under root of 36 minus 4, that is root 32. So it is 4 root 2. And the focus are 0 comma plus minus c, that is 0 comma plus minus 4 root 2. And vertices are 0 plus minus a, that is 0, and the value of a is 6, so plus minus 6. Length of major axis is 2a, so 2 multiplied by 6, 12. Length of minor axis is 2b, put the value of b, we get 4. And eccentricity is defined as c by a, so after putting the values of c and a, we get the eccentricity as 2 root 2 by 3. The length of lattice rectum is given by 2b square upon a, so b square की value रख दी 4 and a is 6, so it becomes 4 by 3. The next type of questions which are included in this exercise is we have to find the equation now, and certain conditions they are given. So here in this question, it is the vertices of the ellipse are given and the focus are given. So we have to find the equation. So comparing, since the focus lies on x-axis, because y coordinate is 0, it means focus lies on x-axis. So the major axis is x-axis. So comparing the vertices with plus minus a comma 0, we get a equal to 5. And comparing the focus with plus minus c0, we get c equal to 4. And when the x-axis is major axis, the standard form of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So a we have found as 5 and c we have found as 4. With the help of this, we can find b square using this relationship c square equal to a square minus b square. So from here we get b square equal to 9. Now a square we know, b square we know, so we can put the values in the standard form, that is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1, or after taking the LCM we can write it in this form, 9x square plus 25y square equal to 225. Next one is, here the ends of major axis are given and the ends of minor axis is also given. Since the x coordinate here is 0, it means the major axis is y axis. So comparing it with the 0 plus minus a, we get a equal to root 5. And comparing this with the plus minus b comma 0, minor axis के ends को, we get b equal to 1. And the standard form in this case is x square by b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1. So we can put the values of a and b from here in this first equation, and we can write the equation of the ellipse as x square by 1 plus y square by 5 equal to 1. Next question is, length of minor axis is given 16 and the focus is 0 plus minus 6. तो यहाँ पर माइनर एक्सिस की लेंथ 16 है, इसका मतलब 2b इक्वल टू 16 है, और फोकस क्योंकि हमारा यहाँ पर x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, इसका मतलब फोकस हमारा y एक्सिस पर है. तो इसको हम कंपेयर करेंगे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से, एक्स स्क्वायर बाय बी स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. और माइनर एक्सिस की लेंथ 16 है, इट मीन्स 2b इक्वल टू 16, सो वी कैन राइट b इक्वल टू 8. और फोकस को कंपेयर करेंगे 0 प्लस माइनस c से, सो वी गेट c इक्वल टू 6. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज टू we can find a square using a square equal to b square plus c square. So a square is 100, so we can write the equation now as x square upon b square, b is 8, so it becomes 64, plus y square upon a square, और a square हमारा 100 है, so y square by 100 equal to 1. So this is the equation of the ellipse. Next is, focus is plus minus 30 and a is 4. फोकस इज प्लस माइनस 30 मीन्स सी की वैल्यू हमारी 3 आ गई, और क्योंकि वाई कोऑर्डिनेट फोकस का 0 है, इसका मतलब फोकस हमारा एक्स एक्सिस पे लाई कर रहा है, तो मेजर एक्सिस एक्स एक्सिस हुई. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म जो होगी एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. यहाँ से इसको फोकस को C0 से कंपेयर करा तो C की वैल्यू हमारे पास 3 आ गई, और A हमें 4 ऑलरेडी दिया है, तो इस रिलेशनशिप को हम यूज़ करेंगे और B की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस सी स्क्वायर होगा, दैट इज 16 माइनस 9 हो जाएगा, बिकॉज C इज 3, सो इट बिकम्स 7. अब B स्क्वायर आ गया और ए स्क्वायर यहाँ से 16 है, तो हम इक्वेशन एलिप्स की लिख सकते हैं as x square by 16 plus y square by 7 equal to 1. The next one is center at 0, 0, major axis on the y axis and passing through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6. तो यहाँ पर हमें मेजर एक्सिस y एक्सिस दी है, तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होगी एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. अब ये कंडीशन दिया कि ये एलिप्स इन दो पॉइंट से पास हो रहा है, तो इन दोनों पॉइंट को सेटिस्फाई कराएंगे इस इक्वेशन में, तो हमें ये दो इक्वेशंस मिल जाएंगी. अब इन दोनों की हेल्प से हमें ए और बी की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग द सेकेंड इक्वेशन बाय 9 एंड सबट्रैक्टिंग it with from the third, we get 320 by a square equal to 8. Then from here we can find a square equal to 14 and put the value of a square in any of the two equations, second or third. Then we are putting it in third, so we get 1 upon b square plus 36 by 40 equal to 1. So from here we get b square equal to 10. Then put the values in the standard form we have taken. So x square upon b square, that is 10, plus y square upon a square, a square is 40 equal to 1 is the equation of ellipse. That's all for today. Thank you. Now complete this exercise.